Hello, Kimmel Hashiv and you. Hami an Taigh-seinnse, Weatherspoons and you. And Shuan and Pasley. Ha, board acum. The word for pub in Gaelic is Taigh-seinnse, but when we say it quickly, it becomes seiche, and the N is there. Listen again. She, she. We're going to listen to the lady on the audio dictionary at Learn Gaelic say it, so we can hear exactly what it sounds like. Right, so the N is definitely there. You can see it. Seinnse. Now, what I was sounding like there is the same as this woman. Let's just play her voice.
Taigh-seinnse.
Seiche. Let's just listen again.
Seiche.
Seiche. There's a very slight N in there. By the way, the word for pub is made up of house and change. Change house. I don't know why it's like that. Maybe it was the most popular place to exchange your money in the old days. I don't know. But listen again, because here, when she talks about the brew pub, she has a heavy N.
Taigh-seinnse grútarach.
Here, she's saying seinnse, but yet above it was seiche, with that coming in at the end. And that's exactly the way I said it when I was in the pub a moment ago. Listen again.
Kaum chóirt hen seinnse.
Seinnse, or seiche, as I was saying a moment ago. Hami an Taigh-seinnse, Weatherspoons and you. And Shuan and Pasley. Ha, board acum. Ha, board acum. I have a table. Remember, in Gaelic, things are at you or on you. The psychology is very different. So I have a table. Ha, board acum. Right, here's the takeaway from today. Ha, board acum. A table is at me. I have a table. Hamian and Taigh-seinnse with the N, like the double N, an ing without the G. Or to make it longer, seinnse, Weatherspoons. So literally translated, this would be, I am in a pub, Weatherspoons. But as you know, there isn't a way to say in Gaelic. So you just have to say in, which is anan. And that's it from me. Until next time, Chiri and Drazda.